Hey my foodie friends and family, how you doing? Hope you're well. Today we're going to do a simple recipe. You're not going to believe how easy it is. We're going to do some grilled marinated short ribs. Short ribs can be really expensive, so when you see them on sale, grab them. It's interesting, when my mother used to cook when I was a kid, she'd buy short ribs all the time because the store couldn't give them away. And now everyone's figured out how good they are and they all want them. So the price has gone up significantly. Excuse me. In a grill pan, I put in 2 tablespoons of oil. And I've got about 6 beef short ribs. If you get the long ones, you can cut them in half or whatever length you desire. I marinated these overnight in a ziplock bag with a couple of tablespoons of grainy mustard and some chicken and rib seasoning. That's how simple this was. And if you think ahead, you can do this overnight, but if you forget and you come home and they're still sitting in the fridge in the package, you can still marinate them within a half hour or so and they'd still be really good. So I've got them in a grill pan, and the idea is just to grill both sides. Please don't overcook these. You can't have these well done or they'll be like the bottom of your shoe. So medium would be best. If you like the medium rare, even better. But get them nice and brown. Don't they look good? Man, they are so yummy, and when they're grilling with that marinade on them, the smell is unbelievable in your kitchen. So I flipped them over to the other side. I swear to God, this recipe took me 10 minutes total if everything was marinated already. And here they are finished. Don't they look good? Don't you just want to grab one through the screen and start gnawing on the bone? I do. Serve this with some salad and some crusty bread, and you have a dinner. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul, and mine too. See you next time.